Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on the explanation of ethnomethodology. Sociologist Harold Garfinkle first coined the word ethnomethodology as a sociological tool to study how people make sense of their world and how we assign meanings to social circumstances, experiences, or situations. It involves one or more people conducting what's called a breaching experiment, intentionally violating one or more everyday social norms, and then observing the reactions and process by which people make sense of this and go about restoring their own understanding of reality. A few examples of breaching experiments might involve removing a food item from a stranger's grocery cart and eating it in front of that person, talking in an elevator, and staring at the ceiling in a fast food restaurant. Ethnomethodology is all about exposing the unwritten or hidden rules that help us make sense of daily social interactions. And it also reveals how people in groups create and maintain a shared understanding of reality through these rules. Think about when you're at a restaurant. There's a typical way most of us act there, right? You wait to be seated, you look at the menu, you order your food, and eat it when it arrives. These actions might seem automatic, but they're part of a social script we all follow to keep things running smoothly. Now, let's say someone violates one of these scripts by going off script. One of the diners might walk up to tables to talk about the weather with other diners, interrupting their conversations. The diners will probably look confused, look at other diners for assistance, or acknowledge that this indeed is strange behavior, and then attempt to use socially appropriate methods to bring the situation back on script. Maybe by calling the manager of the restaurant or politely asking the offending diner to leave. Now, why does this matter? Understanding these unspoken rules helps create a sense of order and predictability in society. It also shows us what happens when these rules are broken. If someone starts singing loudly in an elevator, it disrupts the norm or expectations for normal behavior. Sociologists want to know how people react. For example, when they're alone with the person violating the norm, as opposed to other people. Under what circumstances might some of them join in and also start singing? Under what circumstances might they contact an authority figure? These are all sorts of unwritten rules that guide these reactions and decisions involving both verbal and nonverbal communication. This approach helps us appreciate the complexity and the subtlety of everyday life, reminding us that even the most straightforward actions are shaped by deeper social norms and expectations. Practical jokes are just like breaching experiments, except they're done for fun and entertainment. Ethnomethodology helps sociologists understand social life. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.